guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to show you how to change your batteries on your Kwikset. So first things first, it's pretty easy. You're going to go ahead and lift this black piece off here, and you can see mine's struggling a little bit. Most of the time they'll just slide right off, but once you get that piece off, it'll take you right to the batteries. Now, most Kwiksets are going to have this black cover. Not all are going to be just a push up like this. Some will be a squeeze like the 914 to be able to get off. But once you get that black cover off, you go up here to the top and you'll see there's a little handle. You'll go ahead and pull out the batteries and you'll just pull directly up. And you'll see it's the classic setup for batteries. It has its pluses and negatives. I won't go ahead and change this because I know that would take some time, but you can see classic setup there, nothing crazy. If you were to try to put it back in the wrong way, so just like this right here, it won't let you. You want the batteries to face this way, and then what you'll do is you'll actually just let it drop. So you'll drop it just like this. You'll hear a beep go off. When you hear that beep, the lock is letting you know that, hey, I have energy, I have power now. Now, one thing to notice about mine is we see an amber light here. That's letting you know that the batteries are low. So if you ever see that amber light, that lets you know, hey, I probably need to change my batteries. If it's green, that means the batteries are good to go. So that's how you change the batteries on a Kwikset. If you guys have any questions or run into any issues, go ahead and comment. I'll help you out as much as I can. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, to the channel. Thanks, guys.